The negotiations revolve around investing one of the most important water resources and the largest hydropower in Africa, building a Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, raised the differences between Ethiopia as a source country, Sudan as a stream country, and Egypt, the downstream country, according to an agreement between the three countries in 2015. This is what called for the investment of some countries such as China, American, and Arab Gulf countries in building the Renaissance Dam for political interests, which will negatively affect to Egypt and the Nile River particular.
It is not strange that Israeli engineers participate in the construction of the dam from behind the curtain through Chinese companies, and the first initiative to check the Egyptian Republic and has already been achieved with a negative impact on Egypt. The new weapon used in the revolutions is the weapon of thirst, used as alternative to pressure on countries, and here it is used in the Renaissance Dam, but it extends to the whole region.
Sudan would mostly benefit from the dam's low-priced electricity and steady water flow that will reduce flooding and increase irrigation. The danger lies in the second stage of the construction of the dam, where 4,700,000,000 cubic meters were pumped into the dam. The risk of the preventing 20 billion cubic meters of water from coming from the sheer Egypt would harm the Egyptian agricultural and economic sector.
The problem that arises in the negotiations is that Egypt doesn't oppose the construction of the dam, but rather mechanism for filling the dam. Egypt demands that the dam be filled within 20 years, partly, and Ethiopia insists that it fill the dam within 3 years. This means catastrophic to prevent water to reaching Egypt. 20 billion cubic meters of water will reduce the share of Egypt, and this is disaster that is difficult to replace with groundwater.
National experts say that the issue of the dam depends on the reaction of the Egyptian presidency to this file. Will keep silent on this slow death of the Egyptian people. On the other hand, Ethiopia declared that Egyptian is unable to do anything about what is adopted in the Renaissance Dam and that it will proceed in the project to the end. And the problem is that the largest financier to build the dam countries are from the Arab Gulf countries. Do these countries seek to destroy Egypt, or what is the lesson? Suha Muhammad, Warjo Strategic Insight.